Inside ESL Learning. The T.D. Nature Sprint. Welcome back to the English Shadowing Lab. Today, we enter the T.D. Nature Sprint with 10 phonetic drills inspired by the animal kingdom and the natural world. It's time to take your training into the wild. Alveolar plosives require a total block of airflow followed by a sudden release. In this drill, you are training your motor cortex to manage these rapid sounds with precision. Your auditory cortex, the editor, will work to catch the difference between the voiceless T and the voiced D, preventing phonetic slips in real-world conversations. Are you ready for this wilderness workout? Let's begin. Remember to follow our lab protocol. Listen, observe the scene, read the sentence and train your ears to identify the sounds. Repeat. Wait for the pause and imitate the phrase with full emotional energy. Shadow. Speak simultaneously with me. Match my speed and tone to build professional reflexes. And follow the icon instructions located at the top left of the screen to guide your speech team. Now, pause this video and do these quick exercises to warm up. It helps relax your mouth muscles so you can control them better. This shifts the vibration of your voice from the chest, low resonance, to the head, high resonance. This change is essential for articulatory precision. Hit play and continue the challenge when you're ready. Let's start the session. Focus on the buzz of vibration in your throat and the release of air between your lips on the D sound. Let's start the sprint. Tiny tigers track thin tails through tall trees. Tiny tigers track thin tails through tall trees. Tiny tigers track thin tails through tall trees. Desert dingoes dug deep down in dry dirt. Desert dingoes dug deep down in dry dirt. Desert dingoes dug deep down in dry dirt. 10 tall trees give top total shade. Ten tall trees give top total shade. Ten tall trees give top total shade. Dolphins dive deep to discover treasure. Dolphins dive deep to discover treasure. Dolphins dive deep to discover treasure. Tough tortoises travel toward true tarantulas. Tough tortoises travel toward true tarantulas. Tough tortoises travel toward true tarantulas. Toads tiredly rest in the tranquil pond. Toads tiredly rest in the tranquil pond. Toads tiredly rest in the tranquil pond. Dozens of dragonflies danced down the dusty drive. Dozens of dragonflies danced down the dusty drive. Dozens of dragonflies danced down the dusty drive. Dark deer drink during dawn in deep valleys. Dark deer drink during dawn in deep valleys. Dark deer drink during dawn in deep valleys. Trees tremble through terrific torrential storms. Trees tremble through terrific torrential storms. Trees tremble through terrific torrential storms. Delighted ducks dive down deep during the day. Delighted ducks dive down deep during the day. Delighted ducks dive down deep during the day. Fantastic effort! By practicing these phonetic drills, you have trained your motor cortex to navigate rapid, shifting rhythms. This rapid firing between the tip of the tongue and the upper gum ridge builds the necessary muscle memory for crisp, natural speech in any situation. You are no longer just speaking, you are performing with elite precision. Consistency is key to success. Practice shadowing these phonetic drills for 10 minutes every day to keep your voice strong. You've completed the T-D series. Your vocal map has grown. Your journey continues here, at the English Shadowing Lab. See you in the next workout.